Hello everyone. Today I gonna to speak on business communications versus general communication. As we all know that general communication is very general in nature and the subject matters are very informal in nature. We are talking about the matters that are very general, that are very informal. Whereas communication or technical communication is concerned, the approach is very much informal in nature and matters related to non-technical business matters or industrial matters, that is coming under the category of business communication or non-technical communication. If you make a division between general communication and business communication, then obviously we will find various differences. So accordingly, we will make a division and we will discuss about what the general communication is and what the business communication is. General communication contains a general message, whereas technical communication contains a technical message. General communication, the approach is very informal style and approach, whereas in business communication, it is mostly formal in nature. And in general communication, you will find there is no pattern of communication. You will not find a proper pattern. Whereas in business communication, it follows a proper pattern. It has a proper pattern. And generally, general communication, as it is general in nature, so it is mostly oral, whereas business communication is it can be both oral and written. And business communication always contains a specific message. I'm wrong. I'm saying that your business communications always targets to a specific audience, whereas general communication doesn't target a specific audience. In general communication, when there are various peoples you are coming across, then you can make a communication. But whereas business communication has certain kind of goal and purpose, that's why it is a very specific audience, because we are trying to fulfill some kind of goal or objective. So you have a targeting audience and you have to fulfill that goal. That's why business communication has a set target audience, whereas general communication doesn't have a specific audience. In general communications, we are not using too much technical vocabularies and graphics, audio visuals, etc. Whereas in business communications, we are using some specific vocabularies. Maybe we are taking the help of audio visuals and graphics, etc. And in general communication, we have a very general matters we are discussing, but in business communication, we have some technical content. We are discussing about the business matters, so we are discussing about various technical things and some technical jargons we are using while having the business communication or technical communication. So accordingly, in general communications we are using general vocabulary, and in business communications we are using specialized vocabularies. So obviously, because it's a formal communication and it's an informal communication, general communication contains some formal elements and business communication contains some informal elements. And it consists some factual information, whereas business communications contains full of facts only. So it has a lot of factual information. So general communication can be objective and subjective, but your business communication is only in objective in nature. So we can say that general communication is not a proper organized one and it is not always a structured one, whereas business communication is logically organized and structured. So in this way we can discuss about various differences between general communication and business communication. So that's all about today. Thank you. If you like my video, then please like it and subscribe it. Thank you.